Hi everyone, I'm back with another video. This video is also for a family member, done also in Dorset while I was holidaying in November. And again, this is a Christmas present. It's slightly different, this video. It's a bit more interesting in as much as I started recreating the picture. So I was doing it from Facebook, from a profile picture that was on there from a family member, and I started using the process, and I sort of found halfway through things weren't working out quite as I wanted them to. The colours weren't representing what I wanted to. So I was really pleased with the top half of the picture, but the bottom half I just wasn't happy. So I've explained the process in the video. So you have text at the bottom, so as the video goes through you can actually see, even though I've speeded it up, you can see where I get to a point where this isn't working. And it was great because I was going to whitewash the whole thing and start again, and the next day I looked at it and I thought, I'm really pleased with that sky. I love the colours in the sky, it's just the bottom half. So I completely changed the bottom half of the picture, and you will see this. So I hope you enjoy the video, and I hope you enjoy watching and seeing the processes and also the mistakes I'm making, because that is the great thing about creating. You make mistakes and you learn from them. So it wasn't a lost cause. I managed to keep the top half as it was and just make a few changes on the bottom. So I hope you enjoy this video, and I will see you again real soon. there is my finished landscape.